My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we are talking about the Harmony One coin. What's the current price of the Harmony? What's the price since occurring the Harmony? And especially in this video, I'm talking about the Harmony One coin. Important news, friends. What is the important news? Keep watch this video for important, and especially if you don't do this mistake, so you are in the profit, and if you do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss. So be safe from loss and keep watch this video. And remember that please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Let's start the video, friends, and let's move on, my friends. Let's check it out the price of the Harmony One coin once again in this time in the market. 0.148736 USD dollar is the current price of the Harmony. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Harmony. So absolutely now in this time the price goes, and this time in the Harmony as going negative, friends. The last 1 hour price change as going negative, friends. The last 1 day price change as going positive. Yes, you know, the previous time changes occur in the Harmony as positive, but only the last 1 day price change occur in the Harmony as negative, friends. What's the reason behind it? Why the price is negative, friends, in the last 1 hour? Let's check it out. Let's see, my friends. Let's see the price chart for better understanding. Wow, I'm very happy. I'm very surprised to see this kind of jump occur in the Harmony. I can't believe it. That's a Harmony. Yes, absolutely, that's a Harmony. The logo tells us that that's a Harmony, and the Harmony take a jump. Wow, absolutely, I really like it this time, the Harmony. Now in this time, as you can see here, the Harmony, as you can see here, the previous change occurring, as I told you, that the last 1 day, last 1 week pricing as positive, but now unfortunately the last 1 hour pricing as in negative. So my prediction about the Harmony coin is that they fast down in the future for the later time. As you can see here, fast down, and after this fast, after coming on this point, so they again start jumping, friends. That's my prediction about Harmony One coin. Now the next few hours they fast down. After a few hours there's again chance to the again jumping, but now the few hours is falling time of the Harmony One coin, friends. Anyways, don't do this mistake and don't sell Harmony One coin in this time, friends. Absolutely, if you sell it, so you miss the profit time of the Harmony coin. Absolutely, don't sell it. If you sell, so you miss the profit time of the Harmony One coin, because after this was the Harmony going to hit a 0.01 USD dollar, friends. Remember that. What is your prediction? What's your opinion? Tell me in the comment box. And kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.